Okay, so back in this dining area, going out to the terrazzo. But I also want to show you, I think these, whoops, the door. Okay, there are these glass doors, of course, that go out. They're very nice. And then there's, you can also see the sea out there. These big green doors, they're kind of cool. There's two of them. Wait, you know, one in, oh no, wait, no, there's not two. You just unlock it on both sides. So that's a big exterior door. So when I was talking to Fabrizio earlier, he said this would, and I agree with him because I know they'll have to redo electrical and water in the kitchen here, in the future kitchen, that we could put a sink here, an outdoor sink, and then I would like, what you call it, electricity too, so I can have some lights out here. So this is the very cute terrazzo, and beyond this fence is not mine, but it's nice because you're looking out on green space, and there's an apartment building right there. This is the apartment building that the lady who I met twice lives in, and her daughter used to live in the apartment on the second level, is how I'm understanding it. So this is the terrazzo, and this is what has to be redone. And John Franco said before the fasciata is done would be a good idea. I've asked the guy to leave me the pots for now because I don't know which ones I'll use and which ones I won't, but I figure I can get rid of those later too. So this is